Hello, I'm chasing you, Dhoni, and you may not be able to see my camera because it's not working today. But on the good side, the reason I wasn't recording for this past few days is because I have something special this Halloween. So stay tuned to that. That will be released on. So it'll be released, but I'm not sure. About 2 o'clock. Tune in at 2 o'clock for that release. Hope you like it, the Halloween special. And you may not understand why we're in Blender, but I hope you do now. We're about to make a table tennis racket and a table tennis ball with a table tennis table. Basically, all of the table tennis stuff. So, first, what I think we'll be needing to do is we'll be making the ball first. That's the easiest. So let's delete this, add mesh. Just let's do this. Okay. I'm just gonna make this slightly smaller because it's a little bit too big for my liking. This is about the size of a table tennis or a golf ball. I think I like that. Now let's move on to the harder ones. The next one would be, I still can't decide. Is it going to be a table tennis racket or is it going to be a table? I think it'll be the table tennis racket first. Okay, let's add a cylinder. Okay, let's move it over. And let's make this slightly smaller. That's kind of a reasonable size. I might make it a little bit thinner though. Yeah, get like that. Like that. And then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, there. So now we have sort of a handle. It's slightly bigger than my liking. Let's flatten this out. Kind of. Okay. Look, you can use this handbar to do that. Okay, there. Okay. I think that this is good though. Yeah, I might make it slightly smaller. That seems a little bit like it. Okay, and here. Yes, this will work perfectly for the handle. Okay, so now it's just so hard zooming in. Okay. Now here, let's make this smaller, and let's move on to the actual paddle part. We will need a sphere. That's probably there. I guessed it. And so now it'll be right here. Okay. There. And like that about. Yeah, that seems good. Let's make this a little bit smaller and let's move this. Okay, moving it here, moving it here. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna put it there. That looks like kind of like a lollipop to me, So I'm just gonna scale this a little bit like a racket type. And let's make this a little bit thicker. There. And let's make this a little bit. There, so now that's our table tennis racket. That's our ball. And now finally what we'll be doing is our table. So after I finish doing this, I'll meet you in Unity and show you what this looks like in a game. Okay, mesh. I prefer cube. Okay, there. Let's move this over there. And let's change this. Okay, so I'm gonna change this to like as a table tennis table. You know those types where they have other stuff? I'm gonna do this like a simple like table. I'm gonna duplicate the objects. And I think that's like it. Ooh, yeah, sometimes it goes a little bit higher. Yeah, that looks decent. And I'm gonna duplicate it again and put it right here. And then I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, perfect. These are a little bit too far to my liking. There. Does this look good? I guess it does. Let's just make all of these slightly like this so that they look like a table tennis table, not a random looking table. And let's also put the net, which I'm also going to duplicate again. Duplicate like this. And then I'm just going to make this super small. And then I'm going to rotate this. That looks fine. The only bad thing about Blender here is that it's quite hard to navigate through objects because you'll need to, what do you call it? Usually in Unity, you just press F to focus on an object. In Blender, you need to go all the way. So it's not really such an easy tool to use, if I'd say so myself. And yeah, this is slightly rotated the wrong way. Okay, so nice. This looks good. And I'm pretty sure we're done here. So we have our table tennis racket, our table tennis table, our little racket over here, and our ball that's somehow bigger than the racket, but you can change them. Actually, I'm just going to do it right now. Big. Okay. CTRL-Z. Yeah, that seems sort of to scale. But okay, so I'm pretty sure we're done. Still sorry for the fact that the webcam doesn't work. And let's go to the next thing. So I'll see you back when I put this in Unity. Okay, I also already created a table tennis racket in that other than the one we just created. So I already put this pre into this. It looks just like the one we did in Blender just now. So let me just find it. Also, this is how you add. So and then, so yeah, I'm right here, select, and yeah, you click add, and then it shows you your files. I'm gonna select this version, confirm it, and after the wait, I'll see you next. Okay, now hello, I might have accidentally used the wrong thing, but yeah, this is how the table tennis thing looks like. So if you look over here, this is how it looks. So there's a black side, and there's a red side here. Same case for this. And also there's a ball with a table tennis thing. So this is how it looks like when I set it up. I think it looks quite good. And yeah, so I already did a lot of this stuff where I put them there, decorated it. I did everything pretty much. Ignore the table tennis ball. I tried some code, but this is what it looks like. I'll try that again. And yeah, so this is what the table tennis thing looks like. I didn't add the legs because first the camera would be here, and I only had the legs here. So pretty much that is how you make a table tennis table, racket, and ball in Unity. I hope you like it, and I would just say that these may not look the same. I just in Unity I just twiddled around with the racket and table. That's why it looks a little bit different, but overall it's the same thing. So even you should twiddle around with it in your Unity thing. Also, please comment and subscribe in case you want to see more or you want to give me anything else that you want. I think the next up on the list is the dragon, although you guys never recommended it. And pretty much, bye. See you next time.